Dear students, welcome to my class. So today I shall be discussing the remaining portions of this chapter, degrees of comparison. So go to page number 47. I shall discuss the exercises. So the question is, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjectives given in brackets. My first question is, my bicycle is dash than yours, but dash than Varun's, big and small. So my bicycle is compared to yours. So the big will be in the comparative degree, that is bigger. So here I have written my bicycle is bigger than yours, but dash than Varun's. This Varun is compared to my bicycle. So there are two people. So again it will be comparative degree, and the comparative degree small is smaller. Next is number B. Bill Gates is one of the dash men in the world. In bracket it is given rich. So Bill Gates is compared to all the men in the world. So the degree will be superlative, and the superlative degree of rich is richest. I have already explained the rules of the 3 degrees. So right now I am not going to explain or discuss the rules again. So if you have confusion, you can go through the last 2 videos of the same chapter where I have discussed the rules of the 3 degrees. So let's go to number 3. The sun is the dash of all stars in the solar system. In bracket it is given bright. The sun is compared to all the stars in the solar system more than 2. If it is compared between 2, then you have to use the comparative degree. The sun is compared to all the stars in the solar system. So it will be the superlative degree. So the superlative degree of bright is brightest. Next is Treasure Island. It is the name of a book. Treasure Island is a dash book that I have read till now. So, among all the books that we have read, Treasure Island is the best book among all the books that we have read. Again, this book is compared to all the books. So, again, it will be superlative degree. Superlative degree of exciting is more exciting. Most exciting. And you remember this one, that in superlative degree, the article thy is used. You can find only in the superlative degree. You will find that before you use the superlative adjective, means the adjective, you will find the article thy is there. Haider is the dash of the cleverest brothers. Among the 3 brothers, Haider is the cleverest. So it is compared not between 2 but more than 2. So again it will be the superlative degree, and the superlative degree of clever is cleverest. Next is the earthquake that rocked Nepal in 2014 was the dash in recent times. In bracket this bad. The earthquake that rocked Nepal in 2014 was the dash in recent times. Among all the things that have happened in Nepal, so the earthquake was the worst thing that has ever happened. So it is compared to all the other things. So the superlative degree of bad is worst, worst, worst. Next is, this is dash. See, you will find here, whenever there is a superlative degree, you will find the article the. Next is number 7. This is dash best ice cream I have ever tasted. Among all the ice creams that we have tasted till now, this is the best. So again it will be superlative. So the superlative degree of good is best. Next is, Pratik is dash but his father is dash than him. Pratik is not compared to anyone. See here, comma is there. Pratik is dash. So when you talk about one person, the degree is positive, becomes positive. So honest, the positive degree of honest is honest. But in the next part, you will find that Pratik's father is dash than him. Means his father is compared to Pratik. Here there are two people. So it will be comparative degree. So the comparative degree of honest is more honest. Next is number 9 is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the dash peak in the world. So Mount Everest is compared to all the other peaks in the world. So again it will be superlative degree. So the superlative degree of high is highest. Next is number 10. My little sister is the dash in the family. In the family there are many members. Among all the members, my little sister is the youngest one. So it will be again it will be a superlative degree. Then the superlative degree of young is youngest. See the article the is used. You'll find the article the in the superlative degree. Praveen is the dash boy in the class. In the class there are many boys. Among all the boys, Praveen is the most intelligent. He's not compared between two boys, but he's compared among all the boys in the class. So it is a superlative degree, and the superlative degree of intelligent is most intelligent. Next is the Times of India. It is the name of a newspaper. Is the dash newspaper in India. Among all the newspapers in India, the Times of India is the is popular. So it is compared to all the other newspapers. So the superlative degree of popular is most popular. I hope you are clear with the degrees. So let's go to the next portion. Read these sentences. Ravi is as clever as Sheila. Delhi is as hot as Jaipur. Dehradun is as congested as Delhi. So the comparative as expresses that two people or things are similar. Means Ravi is as clever as Sheila means both Ravi and Sheila are clever. Delhi is as hot as Jaipur means both Delhi and Jaipur are hot. Dehradun and Delhi is congested means both are busy, the busiest cities. Now read these sentences. Priya is not as clever as Sheila. Mussoorie is not as hot as Jaipur. Landour is not as congested as Delhi. Means here not is used, which means that they are not compared. Means the two people or the things are not similar. Here the things are similar, be it people or things. The S indicates the similarity, and if it is not S and S, then it expresses that the dissimilarity between two people or things. So Priya is not as clever as Sheila. There is no similarity in the between Priya and Sheila. Priya is not as clever as Sheila means Sheila is more clever than Priya. So let's go to the next page, page number 48. Use this set of words to make sentences using as. So there are adjectives in the bracket. You have to just put the adjectives in between the two words as. There are with adjectives there are also words such as not, which I have just discussed, as and not as. These two, this expresses the similarity and this expresses the dissimilarity. So here Jagriti's handwriting is dash Purak's. So not is not included in the bracket. So it will be as bad as. Mayanta is dash Ankita. Beautiful is there. It will be as beautiful as. Her pronunciation is dash mine. Good. So as good as mine. My bedroom is not as clean as his. See, not is there. So so here not you have to add not here. My bedroom is not as clean as his. Sunday was as cold as today. Cold is there, so as cold as. Rajat is dash Junaid. Tall is this. Rajat is as tall as Junaid. I can run dash Mahima. So the adjective given in the bracket is fast. So I can run as fast as Mahima. Means both can run fast. My mother is dash your mother. Bracket not is there as well as strict. So the answer will be my mother is not as strict as your mother. My shoes are dash yours. Here it is given trendy. So as trendy as. This ice cream is dash the one we had yesterday. So not and tasty is there. So you have to write not as tasty as the one we had yesterday. These vegetables are dash those in bracket fresh is there. So as fresh as. The sky in the plains is dash it is in the mountains. So not blue is given in the bracket. So you have to use write like this not as blue as. Daniel's drawing is dash Salim's. In bracket colorful is given. So as colorful as. The brown horse is dash the white one. It's not is there, so you will write not as healthy as. Only you have to add not if in the bracket not is mentioned. The storybook I am reading is dash yours. In bracket interesting is given, so as interesting as. So not expresses the dissimilarity, means it will not match between two things or people, and the other as means here not is not there, it indicates that the similarity between two people or things. So the chapter of degree of comparison ends here. So thank you and have a nice day.